Here's how to find and install extensions in Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, hover over Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. This takes you directly to the official extension marketplace. Always install extensions from here rather than third-party sites, since extensions from unverified sources can contain malware or steal browsing data. Browse by category on the left sidebar or use the search bar to find something specific. When you find an extension you want, prick it to open its details page. Before installing, check the number of users and the star rating. Popular extensions with thousands of reviews are generally trustworthy. Also, click the Privacy Practices tab to see what data the extension accesses. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension to confirm. Once installed, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner to manage your extensions. Click the pin icon next to any extension to keep it visible in your toolbar for quick access. A tip: only install extensions you actively need. Each extension runs as a background process, and too many can slow Chrome down noticeably and increase memory usage. If this helps you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.